Hello, welcome back to another software developer profile review. My name's David. I'm a software developer with over 20 years of experience. I've also run international recruitment teams. I want to show you all the mistakes that developers make in their applications, the reasons why recruiters might overlook you. It's also the reasons why recruiters might like you. It doesn't always have to be negative. So I will show you what I see, where I see opportunities for improvement, and tell you if it looks great, and see where we go from there. If you would like a profile review, please visit my website, which is crushing.digital, and at the top of that there is a button which says profile reviews. Click that button, fill in the form, and I hope to see you soon. It's all free, and the results are posted on YouTube just as this one is. Today we're looking at the profile for Gelu. I'm going with Gelu. I apologise if I get your name wrong. And the profile was described to me as a front-end developer specialising in React with some surrounding skills, and we'll get into that. So without further ado, if I arrived, I'm going to open up LinkedIn. Recruiters most often just open LinkedIn because it's always in the same format. It means I can process a lot more profiles much more quickly. Recruitment is a speed game. We all want to think it's a quality game where people look through your profile, read every single word on it and pretend to care, but they don't. They skim read as many as they can really quickly to get a handful of them that they're going to read in more depth. So most of you are being rejected by someone who's not technical and probably only spent 10 seconds reading your profile. So I try to show you that I spend longer than 10 seconds to give you a bit more feedback, but I want to show you what a recruiter might be seeing. So if I'm looking for a React developer and I open this profile and I immediately see this banner, name, front-end developer, React logo, Next logo, TypeScript, Redux, Tailwind, beautiful. Just, yep, I'm in the right place. Let's keep going. Headline says more of the same. Yep, great, good profile picture. After that, I'm scrolling down to the About section. Tell me more. Detail-oriented and highly motivated front-end developer with expertise in React, Next, TypeScript, Redux, and Tailwind. I'm dedicated to constantly expanding my technical skills and knowledge by proactively learning new technologies such as Node, Express, MongoDB, Mongoose, Docker, and Socket.io. This is just fabulous. And even a link to get more. Oh, just this is how it's done, people. I'm loving your profile so far. So let me keep going. I've got another bit of evidence to open up, but top skills, mirroring that. Featured post, which I might want to come back to. Excited to collaborate with somebody on something. Oh, that sounds interesting. Working on something a bit bigger with other people. Just started testing my code. Ooh, we're ticking boxes here. Custom hooks, showing your expertise. Code snippets. It doesn't get much better than this. I'm intrigued as to how much experience you've got, because this is good. This is what I want to see. It's just confidence building all the way through, and you've taken me from the start, showing me, yeah, this is why I'm here, this is what I do, blah blah blah, and it just so activity. We'll have a look at that in a moment because it's actually looking pretty good. Experience. A graphic designer before this. Okay, that's a great background to come into this, and then 1.5 years, 1 year, 4 months of freelance work. I'd like to know what you were doing on the freelance side of things, but you have got some bullet points, so maybe you're telling me. Skills, React query, style components, headless UI, just lovely. Just I could see immediately, and it's all JavaScript based. Created highly customizable, composable and accessible components with React, Next, TypeScript. Learn to develop custom hooks. Learn to develop back-end architecture and implement user authentication, role-based access. What's not to like? I wish they were always like this. I think you've done a fabulous job on your profile, to be honest. So at this point, I'm icing on the cake. I need a way to sell you. And we've got a GitHub, and we've got another. Is that the same link? I'm not sure. I'll open it. Yes, looks like the same link. Cool. So we've got 2 pieces of evidence and some activity. And the activity. Oh, look at this. code formatting, Git hooks, consistent commit messages. On a new Next.js project, focus on building a scalable front-end architecture. This is great. Just started testing my code, so all you want is someone who's got some exposure to it and wants to do it. Examples. Yep. Quick tip for optimizing custom hooks. So, you know, when you get into an interview, what they're going to say, have you got any experience with this? Have you got any experience with that? And most people go, oh, yes, or I did that once, I tried this. If you can go, look, you can read about it. And there's not a lot to read here. I mean, this one had quite a bit to read, but these others are almost bite-sized, just easy access to knowledge and proactivity. I wanted to say passion then, but people get upset when I say passion. There's just tons here, and it's all based around the type of role you want. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm excited to see what's next. GitHub, please don't let me down on GitHub. We can get back to LinkedIn. The bio matches your headline on LinkedIn. Got pretty good activity here. Pinned repos, listing the technologies in the tech you want to be found for. I mean, we can open up the repositories, but I'm happy this far. Your personal website's written, the things you want to do there. Style components, React, JavaScript. You could put more here, but you've done so much here that I'm already just I'm in a yes frame of mind at this stage. If I get to your personal website, transforming vision into pixel perfection, React Next, TypeScript Redux, just love it. I don't need to go anywhere for skills. When people have a skills section on their portfolio, I'm just thinking, why not just tell me? The skills should be the first thing I see. More projects that I think you could unpack, unless you have unpacked them in the other thing on LinkedIn, and the ability to get your CV. I love it. Full marks. Nothing to complain about at this stage. You enticed me here. You sealed the deal here and showed me more evidence and backed it all up. There's nothing I'm unhappy about at this stage. So yeah, if anybody else wants a profile review, I hope it goes as well as this one. This has been a great example, but please visit the crushing.digital website, click the profile review button. If you're looking for an example of how to do a front end profile, this is a pretty good place to go. I would recommend using this as your template. Yeah, I hope it's been very clear as to how this person has sealed the deal, from enticing me here, elaborating more here, and then driving it home here. Even the way that this experience is done. I'd like to know who you're working for, etc. on the freelance side of it. If you can name names, I don't know, but other than that, full marks. Thank you as always. If you like these reviews, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell and do all the things that everybody else tells you to do. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.